Hello guys, welcome to Lantu Ebike. Today we are going to introduce our new model, Monster. As you can see, this bike looks luxurious with many high-quality spare parts. It comes with all LED lights, hydraulic disc brakes, LCD display, dual suspension, front suspension and rear suspension. It is 20-inch fat bike with BAFANG 1000W smokeless wheel. The max torque reaches 80 Nm. The battery is 48 V20 Ah Samsung cells, which can reach a driving distance like 100 km. This bike is equipped with torque sensor, which could bring you a very comfortable driving. You just need to put very light pressure on the pedal, the bike will start to move smoothly. The whole frame is aluminum alloy and the handlebar, stem, and front fork are all aluminum alloy as well. With this bike, the max speed can be like 45 km per hour. In fact, this bike is particularly customized for our client. There are a lot of featured things such as torque sensor, rear mirrors, storage box, remote horn. Besides, the color is available for customization. If you have any further questions, you can simply contact us or send us inquiries. Thanks for watching.